Okay, guys, as promised, I'm just going to go over the SPY tweet I put out on Thursday about which direction I choose, and I'm going to show the criteria of my thought process behind that, okay? So, this is the 4 hour chart with extended hours on SPY. Take a look at your own charts and knock the extended hours off, and you'll see you'll have a gap fill at the end of March. So, on April 26, we came down, SPY came down, filled that gap, it acted as support, and then we started moving back up on SPY, okay? So right here is on Thursday, where I was on the voice in my room, and I told everyone this is a good area to go long or take calls on SPY for that reason only. We bounced in on the gap fill from April 26, which is over here, and it was a good place to take calls. Now, this end predicting the market, guys, because including myself, no one knows which direction the market's going to go, okay? But if we take a look at what SPY has been doing, we're inside a Darvis box, okay? We've been trading inside a Darvis box, and this right-hand side of a double bottom was down here with a chance of the potential of the right-hand side forming. We're also at support from that gap fill at the end of March, and you know, not only is it going to look like if we do move up that it will form the right side of this double bottom, but we also know that if we do break down, we're breaking out this Darvis box and we're in a new price range, okay? So the play would be void. So it was a good place entry wise. If you wanted to go long or take calls, that would be the area to take it, okay? Not to predict where it's going to go, guys, just to show you that that'd be a good spot to take calls if it was to go long. So that was the idea, guys. It was the bounce off the support where we gap filled the end of March. It was a formation possible of the right side of the double shoulder, and obviously we're at the bottom of this Darvis box as well. So everything lined up. I told the guys on voice in my Discord which area, which direction I think it'd go. It's not a prediction. If it didn't work out, you know where to exit the trade. You know where your risk is, and if it does work, it's a good entry because SPY touched the target of 413 on Friday, which I want to talk about now. So on Friday, guys, I tweeted out SPY got to break an old 4910. Watch the 410.20 area on the way up with a target of 413. It did exactly that. It came off this potential double bottom, and you know, it hit that 413 the following day. So if you did take it down at the 44 area, you'd have had a 9-point play the day after. You could have gone later date expiry and swung it, or you could have just played with that in mind on Friday, okay? So I played SPX off his levels, guys. You know, depending on what trader you are and how you like to trade it, but that was the idea behind the trade. So let's go to the 50-minute time frame to show you guys something as well. So the significance of that 410.20, guys, was based off, if you're a member of my room or you know how I trade, this is the start, May the 1st of the week, okay? All this area here. So everyone knows how I work time frames. You got a time frame plays a big part in what I like to trade and how big I like the time frame to be for what I'm trading. So if I'm looking at a play for Friday, the rest of the week's price action is very relevant to me, okay? So this shaded area is SPY's price action beginning of the week, okay? So there's your downtrend where SPY was. So let me get rid of this just to show you. If we take a look at this 410.20 area, when we busted up on SPY, this is the 50-minute time frame. We consolidated for a bit, we flagged, we pulled down, we retested our 410.20, and then we popped up later in the day and completed the trade and at that 413 area, okay? I put in the room, if you're conservative and you want to play it safe, wait for this 410.20 area and then play SPY from 410.50 to target a 413, which is still 2.5 points, okay? So like I said, there's multiple ways you could have played this on Friday with our 410.20 in area. If you was a bit more experienced, a bit faster and you like playing the open, you could have grabbed it from 4910, played it at 410.20, or you could have waited for the 410.20 to go, entered at 450 and got 2.5 points off it. So regardless of what style you are and how you want to trade it, the important part of this video is I just wanted to show the idea of why I tweeted on Thursday what I spoke about in my room on the mic, why I liked it down here for calls, the setup, what I've seen on the chart, and hopefully you can all apply this to your future trades, and this will work on any time frame as long as you see these patterns. If you see these forming, guys, and it's got a criteria to be a low risk entry for a trade, it's something to keep